God, no. Look, there's rain cloud. There, we show people on YouTube. Rain clouds. It's amazing, there's like no people. Normally the street would be very full. Oh, because it's Sunday. Oh, that's your reason. Not COVID.
It's a COVID also, no? It's a Sunday. Oh, that was out.
I think is nice though. Like, think we get to go to all these places. There's no people. Like, you know, we go to Hagia Sophia. It's normally full. If you look online, have picture and video, it's always full. And we go there, it's like 50 people. Same run around screaming. It's okay. So, not many people can say. Well, those 50 people can say, but not, you know what I mean? Like, not. And now I think it's probably really busy again. There is what?
Like a shopping center.
Yeah.
Have lots of clothes.
I don't want to buy clothes from Thailand.
I just say.
Can you say? The more pregnant you get, the grumpier you are. We take what? Yeah. Oh, we can go up top. We can walk across.
Can't go up. Not on the top.
No, we're
On the top, need to pay money for food.
where people are walking. Yeah? No?
Which part?
Right in front of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tower.
Oh, look at all the police. Military.
I think people will come to like what?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, this kid. Yeah, I don't know what.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
I don't want anything to do with protest. Yeah. Is this the Big C Center? Maybe can I ask someone? Could ask these people here, they would know.
This is, you know.
Okay, okay. Let's go, honey. Oh, wow. I show you watermelon. Watermelon.
Oh, this.
I actually wouldn't mind taking video of police, but I don't want them pissed off. So we go up and across? Oh, straight? I don't I don't want to go anywhere we don't need to. Oh, I know this place. I know this place. I come here one time. I remember the President Tower arcade. Yeah, look at this. Where'd she go? Ah, there you are. Yeah, this is major shopping area. And I care if it's Sunday, there's no people. Although, with the amount of military and stuff down at the other end of the street, I can see why there are no people. Right, close COVID. I don't know. You're the one who has the map, supposedly. Okay. And once again, this is why we don't let pregnant women give us directions. Pregnant women, Thai women, I don't know. See, this is why you don't like to walk and you always think it's so far, because you always get lost. Burger and lobster. Now that's what I'm talking about. Steak, burgers and lobster. That's a lobster burger would actually be really good. Right here, this place, burger and lobster. Normally it's steak and lobster. These guys, they have it right. You have burger and you have
It's okay.
of course, you can get takeaway. You have burger, you have French fry, and you have lobster. Well, the lobster here really weird. It's just big prawn. Let's walk over on this side here. Buy the burger and lobster. Fine dining with a twist. Look at, what's wrong with her boob? Look at that. Like, exceed your expectations. Your tits will hang down like they're hockey pucks and nylons. Good Lord. She looked like she's carrying a gun. The world's longest walk to a short big sea. We're gonna get it's right there. Can see it right there. See the big see the sea? We're gonna get there. It's gonna be Big C Mini. It's next to 7-Eleven.
No, that's the Big C.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's Big C Super Center. I sent you. It's the one I send you.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's okay. I know.
Before I walk in here a lot.
I have a hard time believing you walk anywhere a lot. Every time we go somewhere, I tell you.
Because I walk
It's so
go down
cold.
there. Because it's shopping mall I go.
Because it's a shopping mall.
Yeah.
So you walk a lot inside shopping malls. Okay. You remember Rio? We go to the Rio Sol and walk every floor with Zane because cannot take him anywhere outside COVID. It was a smart idea. I think we walked like 4 kilometers inside. It was nice too. I like Rio Christmas for how they celebrate Christmas. I didn't really like Rio at all.
It's not in place, okay.
Look at this. We got 3 guys up there for Leo. Oh,
I think my wallet is with you.
yes.
Where is it?
See? Hormones. Alright. Finally. Spent full day trying to find the biggest big sea. Wow, this is such a super big sea. It's got a mini big sea inside it. Look, mini big sea and really big sea. Because it's so big. It had a baby. That's okay, you don't understand a lot.
Oh, maybe there is open radio before.
Thanks for watching Loving It on Phuket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you'll know when the next video is posted. In the meantime, check out some of these other great videos from Phuket, Thailand, Southeast Asia, and beyond. Happy traveling!